everybody, Ariella here. We are going to be doing a series of fun nature activities that you can do at home. And so we're going to be doing these over the next couple of weeks, and we hope you tune in and check some of them out. So today we're going to be heading out into the woods to make a sound tapestry. And in order to do that, you just need a few simple materials. You need some colored pencils, all your favorite colors, a sketchbook or just some paper on a clipboard, something you can draw on and write with. And you might even consider bringing your handy dandy Crazy Creek so you have a comfy place to sit while you're out in the woods listening to all the sounds around you. All right, should we go? Let's head on out. I first heard about sound tapestries in a book by Hannah Hitchman, and she did this really cool thing where she actually asked us as naturalists to basically draw what sounds look like. And so that's what we're going to do in these next couple of minutes. And when you're at home, you can do this in your backyard or in the park. So go somewhere, have a seat, and just start listening. And as you listen, start thinking about, what does that sound look like? What color is it? What shape might it be? And as you decide those things, you can start drawing them out in your sketch pad. So this activity can take anywhere from 2 minutes to 10 minutes, depending on how many sounds you hear and how creative you want to be. So, these are some of the sounds that I just heard. Seems like the birds are really putting on quite a show. But it was cool listening even to the not natural noises, hearing the way the airplane moved through and then went away. There are these little tiny birds that seemingly were everywhere in the woods, all over. There's a woodpecker that was making quite a bit of noise, I think. And it was fun to hear the birds kind of talking to each other. And you could hear the distant sounds as well as the really close-up ones. There's a little bird that flew through that got really, really loud as it flew by, but it just was like tick, 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 tick the whole time. And then the best was when there was a gray jay in this tree right here, and he got super loud and super annoyed that we were here. And then there's more conversations, and then the jay flew further away. We heard another plane far off. Even some almost car sounds in the distance. Maybe it was more rumble of the plane. It was hard to say. But it's just really nice just sitting outside and hearing all the distinct sounds that one can hear no matter where you are. In your backyard, at camp, anywhere, as long as you're outside. So get on out there and have a great day. Bye. We recognize that not everybody gets to hear quite as many bird sounds as we just heard out here today. So what we'll do is at the end of this video, we'll attach a couple of minutes of our bird sounds. So if you want, you can just do a sound tapestry from the comfort of your own chair in front of your computer.